All right. What do you like about welding, and how did you get into it?
Well, I started in high school. I had a class in high school, and I sort of just had like a natural thing for it. And after that, I decided to go to welding school. Yeah, I like it because you can be creative with it. You just have a lot of opportunities to do really anything.
What's it like to be a woman in a male-dominated industry? Are you putting them to shame with your skills?
Yes. It's definitely something. I like to keep them on their toes.
Right. Okay.
And I like to see their looks of shock when I do something impressive. I like to think it keeps their egos in check.
That's awesome. Damn, that's the only question you prepared for, right?
Yeah. Yeah. That's the only one I really thought about.
That's awesome.